10th question. By translation of axes, the equation xy minus x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 changed as xy is equal to, then c is equal to. That means the translation of axis. Today, the origin is shifted to the particular point. The equation is changes into xy is equal to 0. That means the first degree terms are removed from this equation. Then we get the transformed equation is xy is equal to c. Then what is a c? So first of all we find the new origin. The given equation is compared with 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The origin is in this equation, the first degree terms are removed when the origin is shifted to minus f by h minus g by h. So here then the transformed equation is then the transformed equation is 2h square into xy minus 2fg plus c by ch is equal to 0. So here first of all we are comparing the given equation as this one. 2h is equal to 1, that means h is equal to 1 by 2, and 2g is equal to minus 1, g is equal to minus 1 by 2, and 2f is equal to 2. 2f is equal to 2 means f is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 6. Then the values are substituted on this one. The transformed equation is the transformed equation is 2 into h square, that means 1 by 2 whole square, into xy minus 2 into f means 1, g means minus 1 by 2, plus c means minus 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This is the transformed equation. So that is xy by 2 minus into minus plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So xy by 2 is equal to plus 2. Xy is equal to 4. Given equation is xy is equal to c. So that implies c is equal to 4. Question number 12. When the origin is shifted to the point P, the equation 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0 transformed as 2x square plus y square minus 8x plus 8y plus 18 is equal to 0. Then the point P is, so if you want to find the new origin, the given equation can be written in the form of 2 into x square minus 2x plus y square plus 4y is equal to 0. This can be written as 2 into x square minus 2x plus 1, adding 1 and subtracting 1, plus y square plus 4y plus adding 4 and subtracting 4 is equal to 0. Now this is 2 into x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 6. The origin is shifted to the point, therefore the origin is shifted to the point 1 comma minus 2. This is the new origin. Question number 16. 6 comma 6 is a point on the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. By translation of origin to a certain point, the translated equation is x square plus y square is equal to 25. the new coordinates of 6 comma 6 are, that means if this is the circle, given circle with the point 6 comma 6 is lies on that circle, that means here the original coordinates small x comma small y is equal to 6 comma 6. If the origin is shifted to the point h comma k, to a certain point means h comma k, then the transformed equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 25. Then what are the new coordinates of 6 comma 6? So that means first of all we find the new origin by using the form, that is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Here we take x square minus 4x plus 4 and minus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 minus 9 minus 12 is equal to 0. That means adding 9 and subtracting 9. Now this can be written as x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, and then this is 25. Now the new now the origin is shifted to 2 comma 3, that is h comma k. Now the new coordinates are capital X comma capital Y, that is equal to small x minus h comma small y minus k. Here small x is 6. 6 minus h means 2 comma y is also 6 minus k is 3, that is 4 comma 3. This is the new coordinates of the curve. Question number 19. If the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees and the point P has new coordinates 2 root 2 comma root 2, then original coordinates of P are. So that means if the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, that is theta is equal to 45 degrees, and the new coordinates capital X capital Y is equal to 2 root 2 comma root 2, then what are the original coordinates? So here we take in a diagram x, y, small y cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. From this we write small x is equal to, from the diagram small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. So that is equal to capital X means 2 root 2 into cos theta means cos 45 minus y means root 2 into sin 45 degrees. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, where x is equal to 2 root 2 capital X is, and cos theta is 45 cos 45 minus y means root 2 into sin 45. So that is 2 root 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2 minus root 2 into sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. So that is equal to 2 is cancelled. 2 minus 1 is 1, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Here capital X means 2 root 2 into sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus y is root 2, cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So this is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore the original coordinates x comma y is equal to 1 comma 3. These are the original coordinates.